Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you. I have a '05 Toyota Corolla here. If you have a Toyota Corolla 2003, 4, 5, 6, 7, all right, same procedure. All right, this car came to me. There was no AC on this car. Right down here, guys, you have an AC compressor. That's the AC compressor right there, and the AC compressor was not coming on. What I did was I disconnected this connector right here for the AC compressor. The connector right here, I disconnected it and I checked the power on it. So there was no power on that connector. And that connector controls the AC compressor. So the AC compressor was not coming on and off. And also I opened this valve and there was pressure inside this. And so make sure you have Freon in the system. So this one had a Freon in it and there was no power there. So what I did was I came over here, I started checking several things. All right, all I did was I popped this cover off. To pop this off, all you do is you squeeze this and the cover comes right off, right guys? And then you will come across this fuse box here. Very simple. All these relays and fuses, if you look right here, it's gonna tell you magnet clutch right there, right? MG clutch right there, right? So you're looking at this relay. Take this relay out. You could swap this relay with one of the fan relays, right? Or you could take this horn relay, just swap it and see what happens. All right, so the problem was there. This is a special relay. I did not swap it. What I did was I had another relay. I put that in. And but if you can fit one of these, you could use it to test it if it comes on. If it doesn't come on, then just change it, guys. 99% of the time, this relay goes on these Toyota Corollas, the Camrys, all the Toyotas, even the Hondas. So if your AC is not working, check that, guys. Very simple. It's gonna take you 2 minutes. Just get buy another relay and throw it in. I'm sure your problem is bad relay, right? And once that was done, guys, what you do is you start up the car and the AC kicks in. I can feel the compressor kick in now. You hear it click. All right, guys. So very simple and easy. All right, takes you 3 minutes, 5 minutes max. If you have a Toyota Corolla similar to this, and your AC will work, guys, and trust me on that one, it will work. And 99% of the time, that is the problem. All right, and make sure your fans come on. All right, I'm talking about the AC fan. If you're not feeling any air here, for example, it's not even blowing hot through here, then the problem might be different. It might be a blower motor. All right, try different speeds. All right, sometimes the blower motor resistor will not work on any of these speeds, but it will work on high. So if that's the case, then change your blower motor resistor. All right, guys. Thank you. Subscribe. Bye bye, and I'll see you on the next one.